In this lecture, I'm going to give you a small teaser to our next section, in which we're going three-dimensional. So here is the sketch we created in the last lecture. If you did not do it, you can get it from the download section. If I go to the design tree and I click Sketch, and then I go to Features tab, and I select Extrude Feature, you will notice we are moving to the third dimension. So let's try adjusting the distance here. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to have it 0.5 inches. Click OK. And we have our first three-dimensional object. You can click and hold the wheel button in the mouse and move so you can see what we have just created. And yes, going 3D is that easy.